What's going on, cruisers? Welcome back to All Aboard with Joe. I'm your host, Joe. I have a special react video for you today. Sun Princess just had its naming ceremony uploaded to YouTube from Princess Cruises, and I'm going to watch it with you. So if you weren't aware, Hannah Waddingham, famous actress known for Ted Lasso, is the godmother of the Sun Princess. And this video just got dropped, so I wanted to watch it with you today and give you my thoughts. So let's go do that. Just a side note before I click play, I am so excited to get on the Sun Princess. Ever since I've seen all the videos coming out from the Sun Princess reviews, I know a lot of people have talked about it's not a finished ship. There's a lot of things still being adjusted, but that's pretty normal on a new class of a ship. So it doesn't matter what cruise line it is, but really excited to get on board. All right, let's click play. Such a beautiful ship.
Today is the official naming ceremony of Sun Princess. Now this is mega. It's a time-old tradition, and today we smashed the bottle of champagne and we are just commemorating this.
I feel like you don't see a lot of women cruise directors. Is it just me? I think that's awesome. Like, I feel like every time I'm on a ship, it's always a male cruise director. I'd love to see more females like embracing that role. Am I wrong? Tell me in the comments if I'm wrong.
Incredible ship, the work that went into it, and the incredible evolution.
God, look at that ship.
I got to be outside when the bottle smashed against the ship.
By the way, if you have never been to a ship christening, which is, there's a good chance you haven't, if you're just a regular cruiser, I've been fortunate enough because I'm media technically. I've been to, I think I've been about 5 now. I think I was at the Celebrity Beyond most recently, which was a couple years at this point. It is such a fun experience just to see them, actually christen the ship by like, sometimes they'll press a button. Like Simone Biles was for Celebrity Cruises, and she pressed the button and we got to watch it go. It was really cool experience.
It was amazing, along with our team who are, the heartbeat.
Look how happy they are.
I was very, very proud. And then we had an awesome celebration in the arena as well. I mean, music, dancing, everything that we do in entertainment. So it was a proud moment for me, and I know for everybody.
That's a lot of fun.
It's been incredible. I knew it would be, but
I think that's the Love Boat. Is that the Love Boat people? Is that who that is? Hold on.
it's been
Did I not go far enough back?
Moment for me, and I
Yeah, those are people from the Love Boat, right? I think that's what that is.
know for everybody.
it's been incredible. I knew it would be, but it's been even more emotional for me than I thought it would be because
Shout
of my
out Ted
family
Lasso.
connection with the water.
Such
from
a good show.
My 107-year-old grandfather to my father, who's had a boat all my life. So I have always recognized the majesty of being a godmother.
I named this ship Sun Princess. May God bless her.
That's pretty
and
cool.
all who sail in her.
You know,
That's
the people
fun.
that have come before me, like Grace Kelly, the Queen of England, to even
It is kind of crazy. I always wonder how they choose a godmother. Like, obviously, she's famous. She's a great actress. She's been kicking butt with Ted Lasso and her. I mean, the show's over, but I mean, she's a great actress. So I just wonder how they choose that. I wonder if they if they've been like going after her for years and they finally got her. I don't know.
be mentioned in the same breath as them, and especially on this ship that's first of its class is just real pinch me time.
I am most enthusiastic about we move the brand forward the right amount without losing.
Fun fact, I learned about John Paget, who's the president of Princess Cruises. He is the guy that spearheaded the medallions. So if you like the Princess medallions, I think it was an article I read recently that he was the guy who created the medallions that you wear on board, which is a fairly new technology, and it's a really cool technology. So shout out to John. I believe he is the creator of that, or the guy that inspired it.
Any guest, and so we're respecting our heritage. We're progressing the brand. I talked to a gentleman this morning who had been sailing Princess since 1972, and I said, well, what's your favorite ship after all of those decades of sailing? And he said Sun Princess is his favorite ship. So when I got that word, I knew we hit it right on spot.
Oh, that's the butcher. Yeah.
Looking forward for our guests who haven't sailed on Sun Princess. It is here that we are bringing together everything we do best, and going forward, we've set the bar high, and we are only shooting for the sun after this.
Damn, why wasn't I invited to that event? That looked like a fun event. Cool. Yeah, no, that was actually really nice. I'm really excited they're dropping content like that because it gets everyone ramped up and ready to go to book a cruise. All right, guys, that's it for today. I just want to do a quick little react video. I love doing those videos live because I actually didn't see anything about that until I just saw it on their channel, and I figured, why not react to it? But yeah, if you guys are new here and you have not hit the subscribe button, hit that button now, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Let me know if you've ever been to a christening on a boat. It doesn't have to be a cruise. It could be a river cruise. It could be a personal friend's boat, your boat, whatever. I'd love to know because it is a unique experience and it's a tradition that's been going on for just forever now. And it's always fun to like kind of see that live. So if you ever get the opportunity to see a christening live, I would highly recommend it. It doesn't have to be a cruise ship, any type of boat. It's a pretty cool experience to be a part of. But yeah, as always, guys, this is All Aboard with Joe, and I will see you next time. Peace.